Wait for him to.
No, he has to do a homework.
Okay then. Start.
Join this one. Oh, never mind. Come here.
Who cares? Just join. I want to join a lot of people this time. Let's just join a lot this one.
Okay, sure.
Oh, okay.
And no. There's no time. Okay, we can join this one. Join this one. Okay, hopefully. People are. Wait, why do you want people to join? Why do you want people to join? Dude.
I want a lot of people, boy. Yay!
Yeah, boy. You got some people. This is like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh,
Okay,
my C is I7. What's yours?
D6.
Okay, I forgot how to find. Oh, it's A B C D E F.
What's right here?
H I.
Mine is right here. I found mine.
D.
I found mine.
H I. Okay, this is.
I found mine. Okay, record.
Okay, it's recording. Oh no. Okay, I found mine. I'm so alone.
I'm up here alone too. Hey guys, we're doing airplane winter.
Yeah, I wish we could be to sit with.
I can't sit in my seat. It's not letting me.
What's your number?
Oh, I'm sitting on 8. Oopsies. I was supposed to be sitting up here.
Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay.
There's barely any people for this much room.
Yeah. We could just
explore this beautiful airplane. Ooh, what's this place? So
okay. We can access the restrooms. Never mind. We can't. We can't.
Wait, really?
We can't. If we did. Oh, we have to find our seat.
Oh god.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
6, 6, 6, 6. Right here. Right here. Yes.
Oh
yes,
no.
I'm
Okay.
sitting.
Okay. I got it. I got it. I'm sitting right now.
About to cross an area of high turbulence. 3, 2, 1. That girl's gonna go. Bye bye. Yeah, she just lost half her health.
Oh no.
She just lost half her health.
Okay. Someone's messaging me right now.
Ooh.
You know who?
Ooh, that girl?
No.
A boy?
No.
Which one? Shark girl?
No. It's a girl from the boys' game. Oh no. Here comes. You know what? Okay.
Oh, Shiro.
Let's eat this sandwich.
Oh, that girl needs to eat. She's low on health, boy. Can't go anywhere. Oh, she's pushing me too. She's pushing me too.
Oh no. She's. What's happening? I'm not feeling very well. Oh no.
Wait, are these sandwiches poison? Oh, okay.
Oh,
okay.
She's allergic.
What?
She's allergic. We have to find the bag for her. We have to find her bag.
How do I look for the bag?
Oh, I found mine. Okay, good. It's not me.
Wait, where was it, Tyler?
Okay. Wait,
Oh god, are we gonna lose health? D6. Oh, we can just relax. Good night, passengers. I want to get first class seats, not economic seats. I want to be relaxed. Just stretch your legs. How do we do that? Do we press something? Whoa, what just happened there, buddy? Wait, you need to edit that out, dude.
Why?
So much noise and background.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, look, what is on the right wing?
Oh no.
What?
Oh no, we have to run.
What's on there?
I think we have to.
Where is it?
Oh,
Where is it? That's left.
I think we.
Oh, I see it. You will not survive.
Oh,
What are you gonna do about that,
this
boy?
one's open. Oh, snakes.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Snakes.
Oh my god.
Snakes.
Oh
We have
my
to
god.
go to
Oh
the
my
restrooms
god.
are open, I think. No, they're not. But Captain, run.
Ha, boy, you can't get me, ugly snake. Looks like a twig. Can't get me. What are you gonna do about it, boy?
Okay.
Oh, there's,
I'm safe.
there's
I'm
so many
safe. I'm
snakes.
safe.
Guys, there's an open restroom.
Okay, where is it? Okay, it's right there.
Where is it?
Oh,
I
no, it's
can't
not
get
here.
up there.
Oh no. Where is it? Where is
Who's
it?
here?
No, it's not. Oh, I can't get it. I have no
Where
idea.
is it, boo?
I don't know where it is. Oh, I think we're gonna die.
Yeah.
We died.
What?
Where's the restroom? We have to restart, man.
I don't know. Okay, that recording. Okay, just bleep it, and then we just. Hey guys, we're back now. Say that, bleep it, and then do that.
Okay.
Where we were, and then.
Wait, hold up. It's not recording. Yeah, okay, it's recording. What's up, guys? We're back.
Oh,
Well,
I hope you know where the restroom
fail.
is again.
That was a huge fail.
Yeah. Wait, did you join my room?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay, join. I have H11. Where's H11? H. Wait, mine's right here.
Mine is D.
Where's yours?
Mine is D6 right here.
So far away from me.
Yeah.
So far away.
My hair. We need to get to the bathroom. Do. Yes, please. Eat the sandwich.
Girl, sit next to you, buddy.
Looks like little legs for
Here.
Thanos. That looks like
There you
little
go.
legs for him. He looks like Kirby. See, you gotta taste your own medicine, Thanos. Phew, that was a close one. See, guys, there's no true justice in this world. He almost got a taste of his
God.
own medicine. Thanos didn't feel so good.
Where's
He's just sitting
H11?
there.
H11 right here.
The sandwich. It won't. Look what you did. This is
Look,
your
horrible.
fault.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okay,
It's
we need to
his
find that
fault.
restroom first.
It's
First,
right.
we need to find that
And
restroom.
quickly.
is it
As long
back
as Thanos is
here?
good
Okay,
and
it's not
she's
back
good.
here
Oh,
where
I'm
I
good. Your
am.
whole health is down. Which
So
restroom?
it has to
Oh,
be like
this one. Whoop. Yeah.
somewhere over.
Okay, I know
Could be
the
here?
restroom now.
Wait, where is it?
It's this one, right here. This one. But it wasn't
That one?
for some reason for us. It's this one for some reason. Oh, okay.
Okay.
You're in your seat.
Oh god. H11. Where's H11? Okay, there we go.
Okay, good.
Sit down. Okay.
Okay, good.
Oh god, that scared me.
And that guy
Now
lost
please
a
find
lot
your
of.
seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. My mask will protect me. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you.
We're all alone, like we're all separate from each other. What is that? I want to see your. Oh, you have B6. You have my old seat. Oh, the other one. I have H11. Was that yours?
No, mine was I7. This one.
What's this one? Mine. Oh, I have a sandwich.
Oh, I'll take the sandwich.
Look, she's pushing me. She's strong. She's buff.
Well, can she take the both of us?
Oh, don't move at all. Uh-oh, why me?
no.
Why
Wait.
me? No.
Okay, we have to
Find
find
it,
it.
find it, find
We
it.
have to find it.
Find it.
We have to find it. Oh, I think I found
It's right
it.
here. Yeah. What's this one? My name, okay.
Okay. We have to
Spam click on it.
spam.
I want to
click.
find it. I want to find my own things. I want to find my
Okay,
own
fine.
things.
You can find it.
Click on it. Yes, I found it. I found it.
You found your own bag. Nice job.
You have a close one.
Yeah,
What happens if you guys don't find it?
you die.
Oh, you can just climb up here. Stay here with me.
Okay, I'll go there.
Inform you that we've reached a stable altitude. Would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Wait,
Let's
H11.
get out
Where's
here.
H11? H11. 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 Cheese fries. 244. I love cheese fries. H11. H11. H11 right here.
Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. Still have a few hours.
H11. 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 Let's just sit down, sit back, and relax. Remember, we still have a few hours to go.
Oh no.
Whoa, what was that? Oh my god. Appears that we lost energy. I see the monster. It looks so creepy.
Let me see. Hello.
Imagine that just looking at you through your
That
bedroom.
looks like Dream. That's definitely Dream trolling us. That's definitely.
Imagine that and like when Dream does his speedruns and because that just comes right in front of his jump scare. Oh, are those snakes? Oh my god, oh my god. You guys can't get me, idiots.
Okay. No. Which restroom is open?
I'm just climbing through these like this. You guys can't get me. They're all piled up on me. Okay. Now do we go to restroom?
Yeah. Okay, this one.
Is there-
Come on, follow me. Okay, I'm safe.
Oh my
good.
god, okay. It's
We're
open
good.
for us. I'm gonna poop here. Go away.
Yeah, it was.
It's scary. Can you discuss what the heck is happening?
Yeah. Wait, that's my way, man. Let me do my work.
I'm sorry. Why can't we see anything?
Because this mirror is possessed.
What's the mirror? Why is it black?
Because it's possessed.
Okay, let's discuss then. Those were snakes. A monster chasing us. What do we do?
We run. How to survive?
Run, hide, run. Run, hide, run. Run, hide, run. I'm hungry, actually.
What do we do now?
Power's back up. Let's go.
Let's
Wait, do we
go.
sit on our seats again? Yeah, I see all the way over here. Yes, okay. And the snakes are gone. Thank the Lord for that.
Creature on
The creature on the wing is always like,
Is
Yeah,
it?
it's-
Yeah, it's gone.
yeah. It's not here.
Your attention, passengers.
It's good news and bad news.
Oh, what's the bad news? I just want the bad.
First bad news, then good news. That's first bad.
The good
No,
news
the bad
is
news first. The power's back up. Yeah, okay. Who cares about that?
yeah.
Bad news?
What's the bad news?
Bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of
Oh no.
oxygen mask. Wait, do we just click on the oxygen masks?
I think yeah. Okay, look. I got myself. I got how Okay, I got one. I got one.
Oh my god, I need this.
Get it. Okay, good. You got one. Okay. You got one.
Oh, she died.
She couldn't get one.
Idiot. It's just she has double masks. She's trying to stay
I have
clear
double
from
masks too. Look. We all have.
Oh, we all have it. Oh.
What just
Okay, oxygen is not here, and we just lost power again, and the monster's gonna come to us again. What do you have? What a
Oh
bomb.
no. A bomb. I have a bomb.
Oh god, you're gonna go bye-bye.
Okay, we have to find scissors.
Wait.
We have to find...
Wait, look at this. Look, come to me.
No.
Just come to me, it's gonna be really good.
No.
Just come to me!
No.
Just come.
Okay, I found a... Okay, I found
Scissors, yeah, I was just gonna go there.
Okay.
I found a pair of scissors! Just come to me. Look at me.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, okay, that is very... Oh, which one?
Blue!
Blue. Oh no, I'm worried. Okay, I went, bye-bye.
Oh, it worked, it's green.
It worked.
Okay,
Oh,
let me see.
I was so scared.
What happens if we choose a red wire? Does it still say it's good? Oh, these are first class seats. Oh, these are really good. I want one of these. What do we do now? I'm scared. What do we do?
I don't know. You here?
Haven't heard the crew in a while. You can check with him. Check with him again.
Let's go to Captain. Captain.
Wait, the captain's there. I want to see him. Wait for me, guys.
I'm gonna check the
Wait for me. The captain place. Can you go? It's like a little, what is this, timer? It looks like a heat oven, you know? That heat oven switch thing.
Okay, I'm gonna check the other side.
Okay.
If there's anything.
Oh yeah, they're probably here. Wait for me.
No.
Wait for Green Man.
Okay. I think we're stuck.
Where are they?
Wait, what's this? 1261. Oh, I think that's the password for Captain.
1, 2, 6. Wait, can I put it? 1, 2, 6, 1. I'm gonna put it. I clicked on it. Does it mean like we have the password? The key card now?
Wait, how do we open it? I have no idea how to open this. Okay, I'm confused.
Where is the crew?
Okay, I'm gonna watch a video real quick.
No, I want to do it by myself.
Alright.
What?
Figure it out then.
Okay. I'll stay on the other side, you stay on that side just in case, okay? So we don't have to keep going back and forth. Oh, I think it's for like this phone number.
Oh,
Do you
phone.
know that?
Yeah, phone. Try for the phone.
Just click, it doesn't do anything.
Okay, I think we're definitely stuck.
I found them. Oh, oh my god.
Oh my.
We're actual idiots.
Okay.
I actually just went up here and just did that and then just came back.
Okay, we were just
What?
stupid.
How
Okay, I'm
did
the
we miss
captain.
those and how did we miss them? Wait for me.
Okay, I know the password.
I want to put it.
Oh, no.
I want to do it. I already got the code.
She's getting it.
Oh well, I'll steal it. I already know it. I sound good. Who cares? I already found that. Come on.
Oh no, what's gonna happen? Why can't I go?
Okay.
Okay,
Oh
never
my god,
mind.
that was scary. Okay.
Okay, run. Just run. Just run. I'm running. I'm running the opposite.
I just said idiot to that guy. And he just said, you don't scare me, idiot. Oh god, I'm gonna run. I brought you here, all of you. How? It is not possible. Where are you? What are you doing there?
I'm trying to escape.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Is it
Okay,
chasing
never
us?
mind.
What is it doing? Oh my god. What is it gonna do? See you in the afterlife?
Okay, man.
What
Oh
the?
god.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What do we do? Where is
Run,
it? Where the
run,
heck is it?
run, 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 run,
Oh
run.
god, where the hell is it? Where the hell is it? Oh my god, oh my god. I'm scared.
I'm
I
gonna
get
call.
scared.
Oh, we have
Oh
to
my
go
god.
back. We have to go back.
Ugh.
I think we have to go back. Oh
Wait,
no.
I want to drive the plane. Can I drive the plane, please?
No, you do everything.
No, I didn't. I didn't open the password and stuff.
Too bad.
Please, please, dude. I'll do anything. I'll give you Robux.
Okay, we
I'll
have
give
to
you
find the
Robux.
button. We have to find the button. We have to find the button. We have to find the button. Oh no, we have 60 seconds.
I clicked it.
We have to find a button. We have to find one. Okay, good. Found the button.
I want to ride it, please, please.
Okay. We're on autopilot. You can't drive.
Yeah, right. I just clicked every button. It has been a very crazy flight. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, it's been.
Well, I found a really good hiding spot. I bet you can't even find me.
I can see your tag.
Just try to find me. Like, imagine this is real and try to find me. All I need to do is find the emergency phone.
I know the whip. I know.
I know where it is. I want to get it. I want to get it. Oh, frick. I want to get it. Oh man, she already got it. Yeah.
Yeah, she already got it.
Now what? Why is it black? Wait, oh. Hello?
We need help.
Anyone there?
Or
Why are the buttons so big and the phone's like a brick?
the captain crew, airplane airport crew.
Wait, we're stuck here.
They're
I
right
can't
here.
get
They're
out.
right. They're right here.
Let's just step on their head. Okay. Trace your location when you're taking control. Can't they just like land it somewhere?
Look what I'm doing right now.
Dance on them, boys.
Okay, I'm gonna be co-pilot, boys.
Dude, believe me, I swear to God, I'll do anything. I really want to do it.
All right. If you give me some Robux, I'll give it to you.
I'll give it to you. I'll buy a code and I'll give it.
Never mind.
Me, I want to do it. Please pick me. Please pick me. I swear to God, I'll do anything. No! I wanted to do it.
Oh no.
That's what you get.
Okay, oh no.
You humans are funny, but you were a human, so you were funny too.
Okay, what's I wanna know mine. I really want to know mine.
You're gonna die. Last chance, Cool Cat 2520. Crash the plane. Crash this plane. Yes, we'll be
Yeah,
king of the
I'll go
underworld.
with the monster. Yes, I will crash
Yes,
it.
yes. We will be kings of the underworld.
Yes. Yes. Oh no.
This tiny trusted Cool Cat 2520.
I'm
What?
the traitor, guys.
It's always on my side. You traitor.
Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Wow. Yay. I just got a bag.
Yeah,
You
boy.
survived the airplane. Victory?
No, we didn't.
Victory.
Victory.
What do we do? Oh, we just wait.
I got 2 wins. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys.
Bye bye.